This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the market wrap for January 30th, 2007. In the news today, confidence among U.S. consumers reached the highest level in almost 5 years in January as an expanding labor market and rising wages gave Americans more money to spend. The Conference Board's index rose to 110.3, the highest since May 2002, from a revised 110 the prior month. The proportion of Americans who said jobs were plentiful was the biggest since August 2001. Crude oil surged above 56 a barrel on speculation that cold temperatures in an improving economy will spur fuel consumption. The National Weather Service predicted that below normal temperatures will persist in the eastern U.S. for the next 2 weeks, and the price of natural gas, which is the country's most common home heating fuel, jumped more than 11%. As for news, 3M, the maker of products from Post-it notes to road signs, said fourth quarter profit rose 58%, but it still managed to miss analyst estimates and therefore sent shares down as much as 6%. Net income increased to $118 billion, to $1.18 billion from $746 million, or $157 a share from 97 cents a year earlier. The increase was fueled by the sale of 3M's pharmaceutical unit. Excluding this one-time sales, profits were $110 a share, below the average estimate of $114. Merck's profit fell as generic competition eroded sales of the top-selling cholesterol pill Zocor. Merck, the third largest U.S. drug maker, said net income dropped 58% in the fourth quarter, partly because of costs of acquiring gene technology that won a Nobel Prize last year. The other pharmaceutical company to report today, Wyeth, reported a fifth straight earning increase on demands of new arthritis and pneumonia treatments. Wyeth, based in Madison, New Jersey, reported a 17% earnings gain. Upcoming releases for Wednesday include the ADP employment report, fourth quarter advanced GDP, Chicago PMI, the FOMC decision. As for earning releases for Wednesday, we'll have Altaria Group, Eastman Kodak, Google, JDS Uniphased, Kraft, L3 Communication, Pulte Homes, Starbucks, Sunoco, Boeing, Estee Lauder, Time Warner. For stocks to watch, keep an eye on Carl Icahn as the billionaire shareholder activist demanded a seat on the board of Motorola Inc., the mobile phone maker whose profit margins have been battered by competition from low-price handsets. Motorola shares, which reached an 18-month low of $17.90 on January 12th, rose as much as 7.1% after the company reported Icahn's intention in a statement today. Icahn owns 1.4% of Motorola stocks, this coming from Motorola. Starbucks Corp was raised to overweight from neutral by JP Morgan, which expects potential earnings growth over 20% for the world's largest coffee shop chain as margins stabilize in fiscal 2007. Much of the recent stock decline was due to concerns over store margin pressure. This comes from John Ivanko. We believe the margin will stabilize in fiscal 2007 because of price increase and new infrastructure, Ivanko said. It's been Market Wrap for January 30th, 2007.